Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Sony. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the Bluetooth and check is it turned on. If it's not, just click at the slider and click on your headphones here. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform soft reset. So press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds to turn off your headphones. And after that, press and hold power button again for at least 2 seconds to turn on it. And it will reconnect to your phone, so we should have connection again. Here we go. If it didn't help you also, we should remove and add this earbud. So firstly, let's turn off it. And now click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on Android. And after that, press and hold this power button for at least 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. Here we go, and now click on it at the device list. And again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, firstly turn off your headphones. And after that, press and hold at the same time power button and multifunctional button on your right ear cup for at least 7 seconds until this LED light near to the power button flashing blue 4 times. Okay, I guess I make something wrong, so let's make it again. I'm press and hold power button and multifunctional button. Yeah, and here we go, we have it. Now we should remove it. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and then press and hold for at least 2 seconds to turn on it, and after a hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!